Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Honing Technologies. In my hands, I have a CNC machine aluminum heart, which is basically a sprocket for our new Robo IQ. Today we're going to deburr it and polish it up with vapor honing. So we've said this many of times, but vapor honing is great at deburring and polishing because it combines water, abrasive, and high air pressure to clean any surfaces, especially CNC machine parts. And vapor honing is great at deburring because it removes the sharp edges, burrs, or any machine imperfections on the CNC machine part. Doing this will enhance part safety, improve the functionality of the part, and also gives it a smooth surface. So I didn't notice any sharp edges or any burrs on the part, so we're just going to focus on polishing. Like I said, in this A100 base, it has a mixture of aluminum oxide and glass bead, so we'll sort of give it like a matte finish, and with the water and the abrasive mixed together, it'll definitely give it a consistent and uniform finish. So let's get started. So vapor honing and the mixture did a fantastic job at polishing and deburring the surface. After this, we're going to put it in our Robo IQ. This definitely showcased that vapor honing is a versatile and effective method at deburring and polishing your parts, especially for CNC machine, aluminum, and stainless steel. If you have any more questions about CNC machine parts or how you can get this results, you can call us at 828-202-5563. You can also check us at our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. You can check out us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.